Okay, so basically, I was just on Facebook, and you know, me being the normal American citizen, I was just going through my mini feed, just minding my own business, and I came across a status that was posted by this girl who just recently had a baby. Whatever. I don't care. I'm not going to judge you. It's not what I'm here for, okay? Well, I mean, it is. But anyway, I'm judging her for something else, though. Her status, basically, it was like, okay, baby's like literally, it must be like 5 days old, if anything. And it's like, just changed baby's diaper and it pee-peed on like her boyfriend or something. And then she's like, and then while he's like changing it, it like pooped on him. I don't know. It was just dumb. Please, Jesus, people, like, what has this world come to? Like, you're okay with like putting that out in the open? Like, why? Like, that's kind of too personal. Like, and then it's like it's kind of like going back to like those people who sit in class and they just talk about irrelevant shit that like no one gives a shit about. Like today in one of my classes, this girl like she just sprained her ankle. She's walking around on crutches and she's sitting there with like her ankle propped up and she's like, "Oh, my ankle, it just hurts so bad. You should have seen it when I first heard it. It looked like a cankle." And I'm like, "Bitch, I don't care." No one cares, actually. It's like kind of like the cycle of just annoying bullshit. And I don't know how like we as a country like fell into it, but we should probably hop out. Cause I can't take this shit anymore, quite frankly. It's just kind of it's embarrassing for me because now like I know all this shit about you that like I really it just makes me judge you. So if you ever wonder why I'm kind of rude or I just kind of, treat you like shit, that's probably why. As shallow as that sounds, it's true. Jesus Christ.